Now we will intercept and analyze the network traffic from Genymotion emulator. Many of the security issues in mobile applications can be found out by intercepting the traffic data. To intercept the traffic from the emulator, we will use a tool called Barb Suite Proxy. Go to Santoku Tools. From the Penetration Testing menu, open Barb Suite. Now we need to know the IP address of the Santoku system. You can just hover your mouse over this icon to see the machine IP address. As you can see, the IP address is 192.168.1.143. We will use this IP to configure the phone to forward all the traffic to this IP address. Barb Suite is one of the most popular proxy tools that are used by security researchers. It will help us analyze the traffic from every application on that emulator. Traffic interception will open up another layer to attack the applications. It may take a few seconds to start, so please wait. Here we go. This is how Barb Suite Proxy looks. Okay, now go to the Proxy tab, then go to the Options tab. You will see here that it is listening on localhost with port 8080. Click Add to add a new listener. Choose specific address. You will find here the IP address of this system. Choose it, then type here any free port number, for example 5555. You will see here that Barb Suite is now listening on the IP address with port 5555, which means that it will receive traffic from outside this machine. We want that because we will forward traffic from the phone to this machine. Now let's go to the phone Wi-Fi settings to configure it to send the traffic to Santoku system. From the drop-down menu, click on the Wi-Fi icon, press a long click here, and choose Modify Network. Choose Advanced Options. You will find here a proxy option. Click it and choose Manual. Now under Proxy Host Name, write the IP address of the Santoku system. 192.168.1.143 and the port is 5555. We will forward the traffic from the phone to this IP address. Now let's save the Wi-Fi settings and check if the traffic will be forwarded or not. Open the phone browser. It is opening Google website and there is a security warning here, which means that there is an interception. But as you can see here, Barb Proxy was able to get some traffic. This request is coming from the emulator. As you can see here, Android 5 and the phone is Google Nexus 9. The proxy will be able to catch HTTP requests only. And to fix this issue and make it catch HTTPS requests too, we need to install Barb certificate on the phone. Now on the browser type http barb to download the certificate from the proxy internal website. Press here to download the certificate. Okay, the certificate has been downloaded. You will find it here from the drop down menu. And if you try to open it directly, it will say can't open file. To fix this issue, you should install the certificate manually from the Android operating system. Now go to the File Manager application first. Then go to the internal storage. You will find the certificate in the download folder. Here it is. Press long click to show the file options. Then press rename and change the extension from DER to CER. Then press OK. If you try to install it again, it will fail. Now to install the certificate, go to the drop down menu here and click on the system settings icon here. Go to the security options and go down here, then click install from SD card. From the internal storage, You will find the certificate under the download folder. Here it is. Just choose it. Now give it any name. I will write Barb for example. Then press OK. Newer Android versions will ask you to set a lock screen pin for security reasons, so let's do it. Set whatever you like. We just need to do this step to complete the certificate installation. As you can see, the certificate has been installed. Now Barb Suite proxy will be able to capture HTTPS requests. Open the phone browser and try to access any website that uses HTTPS. Make sure that the intercept is on first. Now try to open Google. As you can see, the proxy is intercepting the requests here. You can press forward and you will see that every request from the phone is intercepted with Barb Suite. During this course, we will use Barb Suite proxy to capture traffic from different applications.